Yo, what up? So you're using the Studio theme on Shopify and you want to remove the cart icon just like this from your Shopify header, okay, your store header, and you want to remove it and you want to make it look just like this. So this video, I'm going to give you exactly the trick you can use to remove the cart icon from your Shopify header. Now let's get straight to the video. Yeah. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to your online store and you want to come to themes. And once you come to themes, I'm sure your studio theme should already be installed or added. Then you want to come to customize. So click on customize. Once you have it customized, once you click on customize and it's right here, you want to come to the left-hand side, the layouts right here, okay, which is the sections, and you want to click on header and you want to scroll down to this custom CS. And what you want to do is just copy and paste. What are you going to copy and paste here is this, all right? So you want to copy this code here. Don't forget just to copy and paste. That's all, okay? This one that says to remove using CS. So you go back. Once you copy that, go back. I'm going to give you the link to the doc. You paste and voila. Yeah. You see, it's gone. So now it's being removed. How about if you don't want to use custom CS and you still want to hide it or you want to remove, because this is remove or hide, whichever one. What about, let me show you another trick you can also use to do this. But however, if you're cool with this, all you need to do is just hit on save and you're good to go. That's all, right? Now let's go ahead and use another trick. So I'm going to go ahead, select this, remove, and it's going to be back. Good. Now, let me go back and right here in this studio, all right, you don't even need to go back like that. Just studio draft, click on this trader line here, and you want to click on edit code. Now, don't forget, it's still copy paste we're doing, all right? So now what we're going to do is to go back here and you want to scroll down, okay? And you want to come to this part that says to hide it using base. And you want to copy this. And once you copy, you go back. Oh, it's still okay. It's downloading. Now, once you click on editor, you get an ad here just like this, right? And you come to studio, you come to assets, and you come to base.css. Click on that, and you want to scroll down, baby. Scroll down, go down. You want to go down, all right? And yeah. So now the moment you go down there, you paste the code that you just copied, just paste it right there, okay? And go ahead and hit on save. Yeah. Save and go back. It's gone. All right. So it's gone. Okay. Yeah, it's gone. So this is how you do it. Right. So these are the two tricks that you can use to easily just remove cart icon from your Shopify Studio theme. All right. And another way you can also do this is by using custom liquid. Let me go back. Let me show you that real quick. So let me just remove this. So if you want it visible again, just remove. Just copy that, remove, and save. Make sure you save. It's very important. Please, can you try and always save, all right? Then go back and you see it's now showing again, all right? So now, if you can use custom liquid, you can just, first add a block, not available, okay? Now just click on add section and click on custom liquid and click on custom liquid again once it's loaded and just copy paste again. That's what you're doing. Yeah, with the copy paste gang. All right. So now you scroll up, you can see this to remove using CL. This is the code you want to use. It's going to be the doc file that I'm going to give to you and copy and back here and paste it and it's gone. Yep. So you see, it's gone. So this is exactly how you can do this using custom liquid again. So these are 3 tricks that you can use easily, free for you, and you're good to go. You're not going to see them again. If this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, okay? And turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this for you guys. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that it can encourage me to keep creating video tutorials for you guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Please make sure you stay safe and have a nice day ahead. Bye.